Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to verify account in OKX, right? It's very easy thing to do. So you have to just log in into your mobile application. By the way, you can also use the website. On the top right you will get this option of login, so just click on login. So once you have logged in, by the way, if you have didn't downloaded the application, you can just download it from here, right? So as you can see here, you have to go to the profile and settings, user center, and select profile and settings. In the website, go to your profile icon and select verification. In the app, select identity verification under profile. For the website, select individual account and click continue. Fill in your basic information including your full name, legal name, date of birth, country and residency, and other details, right? After that, you have to upload your government issued ID such as passport, driving license, national ID, and you have to ensure that your name should be, you just add your real name as well as your date of birth and expiration date of your cards and everything, right? No screenshots are accepted here, so you have to just put all the information manually. And after that, you have to include all the corners if you're just taking a photo, because in the application there is an inbuilt camera, so you can just take a photo with that camera, right? And make sure that those documents are authentic, because after verification it is going to verify each and every information that you have uploaded. Then it will ask you to upload your selfie, so your entire face must be placed with the overall frame. No mask, glasses or hat, right? It should be completely clean. If required, upload a document with your current residential address and legal name. Generally they don't ask this, but if they ask, you have to submit it. Once all the required documents are uploaded, submit your verification application. So OKX will review your application within 24 hours and contact you with the results. If you have any questions or need to correct any information, you can use the AI chatbot or support center and they will help you with it, right? So this is it, guys. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.